Assalamu alaikum, my dear brothers and sisters. I have some urgent news. Our dear brother Idris Hassan has been, ruled by a Moroccan court to be extradited back to China, where he'll face persecution, be locked up in a concentration camp, and most likely be executed. Now, a little bit of background info. Our brother Idris Hassan was residing in Turkey for many years, but he was threatened by the Turkish government to be deported back to China, and so he was trying to make his way to Europe through Morocco, but the Moroccan authorities got him. They arrested him, and even though he's been in a Moroccan court quite a number of times, and they ruled actually in his favor to let him go free, but today, because of Chinese pressure, they've actually ruled against his favor, and they've ruled that he'd be extradited back to China, where I mentioned he will not see the light of day. So please get this news out there. We need to pressure the Moroccan government to let this man free, to see his family, and to live a free life